Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I'm finally unboxing my Honor 7X. Finally got it in the mail. So yeah, let's go ahead and get right in with this unboxing. Now we're going to turn the box around here and you'll see that it says a few specs here. The Honor full view display, 16 plus 2 megapixel rear camera with an 8 megapixel front facing camera and a 3340 milliamp hour battery. Pretty much all it says there. Let's go ahead and remove the top of this box up here, and we'll see the phone there. So we'll set it to the side for now, and we'll see what comes in the box. Now right there, it looks like a SIM ejection tool, and of course you have your quick start guide right here. And in here, it looks like that they include a case, which is really nice to see, as well as your wall adapter and your micro USB charging cable. That's all that appears to come in the box. Let's go ahead and put this back in here. We will look at the phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull it out of its plastic here and look at this phone. And wow, that red though, that is a sweet color. I mean, yeah, it is. Let's go ahead and pull off this little back sticker here. Just like that, and I just can't get over how good that red looks. I mean, wow. Anyway, got your fingerprint scanner back here, got your dual camera back here set up, as well as your flash. On the right side here, of course, is your power and volume rocker there. On top, you got a secondary mic. On the left, you have your SIM and SD tray right there. On the bottom, of course, is your single speaker, as well as your micro USB charging port and 3.5 millimeter headset jack. On the front here, got your nice Honor logo down here, front facing camera, and of course your receiver. Now I do love the way that Honor done this here with the with the red in the back and the sides, and then had the black front here. Just gives it a really nice look, and I'm really glad that Honor decided to do it this way. So let's go ahead and give this phone here its first boot up. Alright, so we got some power here. Honor, powered by Android. So, this is a phone here I'm going to have to get used to using. Now, the phone really don't feel that big at all to have a 5.9-inch display, something like that. So, yeah, I'm really anxious to try this phone out and see how I'm going to like it. So, I'll get this phone here all set up, and I'll come back in just a few. Okay, everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go. I got the fingerprint here all set up, so let's go ahead and test that out. So it seems to be pretty fast there, very responsive, as you can see right there. Now the screen looks really nice on this device. So far, I mean, the way that looks, the way it's designed, the feel of it, it just looks and feels really nice. Let's go ahead and pull the drop down here. Of course, you got all this here. Drop it on down. Got your brightness, Wi-Fi, Huawei share, flashlight, location, screenshot, all that stuff that you normally see in the drop down features there. You can also probably edit that as well. Scrolling to the home pages here feels very smooth. Going to the app drawer here, and I mean, it just feels very smooth, very fluid. Let's go ahead and go into the settings here, and we will look around there a little bit. Now, of course, you got your airplane mode, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile data, and more. So you got mobile network, tethered, and hotspot, link, plus live update. Got your home screen style, so you can change that there. Look over that and all that kind of cool stuff. Going to display, you got your full screen display here and all that kind of stuff there. I have to learn all this kind of stuff as I kind of go along with this phone here. You got eye comfort, brightness, color temperature here. You can change that however you want to. Color temperature, sleep, and auto rotate screen. You got notification and status bar, so you got notifications turn on screen, pulse light for notifications, display carrier name, and battery percentage up there as well. So go ahead and push that there, and you can go ahead and push next to icon, and then the battery percentage is up there and beside the battery. So let's go ahead here, and it also says display network speed. Kind of cool stuff there. Navigation key, so you can change that around however you want it, depending on if you want the back on the left, back on the right, all that kind of stuff there. Fingerprint ID, security and privacy, do not disturb, permission, storage. So this phone does have 32 gigabytes of total storage, with only around 19.7 free. I mean, that's a lot of storage gone. You know, 9.63 gone right there in firmware. Down here in others has 1.79 gone already. And so, yeah, I'm not really sure about all of that, but anyway, it is what it is. You can add an SD card, which is really nice. You got battery here as well, app twin, advanced settings. So you got all that stuff right there. Simple mode, data transfer, backup, system update, and about phone. So of course this phone here does run EMUI 5.1, Android version 7.0, Kirin 659 processor. I hope I said that right. 3 gigabytes of RAM and a 2160 by 1080 display. Let's go to the camera for a brief moment here and look around. See what we got going on in here. So we'll skip all of this here and go into the camera. So you just swipe this way here. You got a bunch of modes. You got photo mode, pro photo, video, pro video, HDR, panorama, light, painting, time lapse, slow motion, filter effects, watermark, audio note. You can download more as you wish. Swipe this way here and you have a 16 megapixel camera, and it goes down from there. GPS tag, automatically add watermarks, assistive grid, mute, timer, audio control, and it's all of these really nice features here that you see. Ultra snapshot. And so yeah, there we go. Up top here, your flash, this button right here goes wide aperture enabled or disabled. This button right here, it says portrait mode enabled, best distance and stuff like that. So all that kind of stuff to test out there. Now this right here is moving picture enabled or disabled. And front facing camera here, as well as your shutter button and your record button here. Let's go ahead and go into the video here, and we will look and see what the settings are here. So you can record here in full 1080, 720 VGA, and it goes down from there. And of course, got object tracking, volume button function, ultra snapshot, and all that kind of really nice stuff there as well. Let's go to the front facing camera here. So front facing camera looks pretty solid as well. We'll scroll this way here. You got panorama mode, video, time lapse, filter effects, watermark, audio note. You can also download more. Now this way here, so it is 8 megapixels and it goes down from there as well. And you got all of these settings here, mirror reflection, all that kind of stuff. I mean, there you go. It's all right there. Go into video mode here and scroll over here, and we'll turn this off again. Beauty disabled. And you can record also in full 1080 and 720. Pretty much the same settings in the front as it is in the back. So, of course, I will definitely be testing these cameras out. Got your dialer here, of course, a really nice standard dialer there. And as well as your messages over here. And we will start up a conversation and see what kind of keyboard we have going on here. So, typical keyboard. I guess it's Gboard, just not the updated version. I really don't know. But I always like this keyboard here. And as well, you got your emojis here. So they look a little bit different here on this device. So there's plenty, of course, to choose from. And this phone just feels very solid, very fluid in the hand. I mean, it just feels really nice. So I'm really anxious to try this phone out, see how I'm going to like it, which I'm sure I'm going to love it and everything. And I'm glad it came with a really nice clear case, so I won't cover this really nice prettiness of this red color here. So anyway, that's my unboxing and first look here of the Huawei Honor 7X. So this was helpful and informative. Hit that like button. Any questions or comments you may have, leave it below. Get back with you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'd appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and we'll see y'all in the next video.